y'all, so today we're gonna go and learn how to repair the League of Legends client. So sometime back, Riot changed this method. You used to be able to repair the client within the League of Legends client itself. However, they simply implemented the Riot client to replace that. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the Riot client here. It may take a brief moment to load up. And then you're going to log in to your account if you haven't already done so. And so you should see a similar type of home screen like this. So what you're going to do next is you're going to click your little person up here on the upper right corner, select settings, and then you should see something like this pull through. You're going to hit the League of Legends or whatever game you're choosing to play that is within the Riot client, and you're going to go ahead and click that repair button and then click start repair, and it should take a brief moment and then all your files should be repaired.